to my team members, Varshana, Mitra, and Kaushal. We are the Sparkle Squad from Estageti Saraswati Sunaybulo. We are delighted to introduce our innovation, the Ayurvedic cough relief candy. Hi Kaushali, how are you? I heard that you have the flu. Yes, Roshni, I know too well. I got a serious flu. Don't worry, my friend. I have a solution to your problem. Can you please tell me the solution? Yes. You can consume this Ayurvedic cough relief candy. It will cure your flu and smoothen your sore throat. This candy is also cold relief. Thanks, Roshni. I will try it immediately. It tastes good. Roshni, I just tried the candies. The candies taste very dense, but I enjoyed eating them. It helped to cure my flu slowly. Kaushali, I'm glad that you are recovering now. Thank you for suggesting a great remedy for my flu. The aim of our product is to design a natural and convenient remedy to ease flu symptoms while boosting immunity and supporting recovery. Our innovation is that these candies exhibit beneficial effects on health, particularly in relation to respiratory health and immune function. The primary objective of our Ayurvedic cough relief candy is to develop a ginger candy product that effectively alleviates flu symptoms such as sore throat, cough and nausea while enhancing immune support through natural ingredients. The ingredients that we use to make our ginger candies are ginger, karpuravalli, tulasi, jaggery, ghee, black salt, turmeric, and lastly, black pepper. Peel and grate or finely chop the ginger. In a saucepan, combine the grated ginger, karpuravalli leaf, tulasi leaf, jaggery, sugar, and water. Bring the mixture into simmer over medium heat, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Continue to cook, stirring frequently until the mixture thickens into a candy-like consistency. This may take 20-30 minutes or longer. Remove the pan from heat and let the mixture cool slightly. Pour it into a greased tray. Once the candy has set completely, cut it into small pieces and wrap the candy in eco-friendly packets. We found that the concentration of sugar solution used to make the ginger candy affects its quality. In addition, this candy has a higher storage stability than ginger preserves. How do we market our product? Firstly, we identify the target audience who are health conscious and seeking natural remedies. Secondly, we use eco-friendly packaging with attractive design. Next, we use social media to promote our product and create partnership with wellness centers. Finally, we to treat